Welcome to our channel where we give you practical tips and advice on real estate investing. Today we'll be discussing a topic that many aspiring real estate investors are curious about: how to acquire property with no money down. Real estate investing can be a profitable venture, but it can also be a daunting one, especially if you don't have the capital to invest. However, with the right strategy and approach, you can still acquire property even without money down. In this video, we'll share with you some tips and tricks that will help you achieve this. Leverage other people's money. One of the most popular strategies for acquiring property with no money down is to leverage other people's money. This means finding investors or lenders who are willing to finance your real estate deals. Private money lenders, hard money lenders, and angel investors are some of the options available to you. When approaching these individuals, you need to have a clear plan and pitch to convince them to finance your deal. You can also offer them a share of the profits or interest payments as an incentive. It's important to have a solid agreement in place to avoid any misunderstandings or conflicts down the line. Use creative financing. Another strategy for acquiring property with no money down is to use creative financing techniques. This involves finding ways to structure the deal in a way that requires little or no money up front. Some of the creative financing techniques include seller financing. This involves negotiating with the seller to finance the purchase. The seller acts as the lender and you make monthly payments to them instead of a traditional lender. Lease option. This involves leasing the property with an option to buy at a later date. The option fee can be used as a down payment when you exercise the option. Subject to. This involves taking over the seller's mortgage payments without assuming the loan. You become responsible for making the payments, but the mortgage remains in the seller's name. Wraparound mortgage. This involves creating a new mortgage that wraps around the existing mortgage. You make payments to the seller, who in turn pays the original mortgage holder. Distressed properties are properties that are in poor condition or have been abandoned or foreclosed. These properties can be acquired at a discount, making them an attractive option for investors who don't have a lot of capital. You can find distressed properties through real estate agents, online listings, or by driving around neighborhoods. However, before purchasing a distressed property, it's important to conduct a thorough inspection to assess the extent of the repairs needed. You should also factor in the cost of repairs when calculating the potential profit from the investment. Partner with other investors. Partnering with other investors is another way to acquire property with no money down. You can team up with other investors who have the capital but lack the expertise or time to manage the investment. In exchange for their capital, you can offer them a share of the profits or equity in the property. When choosing a partner, it's important to find someone whose skills complement yours. You should also have a clear partnership agreement that outlines each partner's roles and responsibilities. Use your existing assets. If you have existing assets such as a home or stocks, you can leverage them to acquire property with no money down. For example, you can use a home equity loan to finance the down payment on a rental property. You can also borrow against your stocks or other investments to finance the purchase. However, it's important to be cautious when using this strategy. You should only use assets that you can afford to lose, as there is always a risk when investing in real estate. Acquiring property with no money down is possible, but it requires a strategic approach and careful planning. It's important to note that each of these strategies comes with its own risks and challenges, and you need to thoroughly understand the process and potential pitfalls before investing. You should also seek the advice of a real estate attorney or financial advisor before making any major investment decisions. Real estate investing can be a lucrative venture, but it requires patience, persistence, and a willingness to take calculated risks. With the right strategy and approach, you can successfully acquire property with no money down and build a profitable real estate portfolio. Thank you for watching this video. We hope that you found these tips and tricks useful in your real estate investing journey. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos on real estate investing.